Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can try this out by using the link in the description, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin. Here's a 0. Okay, 0 gives us 2. What about a 1? 1 gives us 4. Let's try a 2. 6. So far, it looks like this might be a linear function, and it looks like it has a slope of positive 2. It goes up 2 every time we go over 1. Let's move in the negative direction and see if that continues. So if this were to continue, if I put in a negative 1 here, I think it would be down at 0. And that looks right. And let's try negative 2 just to make sure. Oh, so negative 2 is up at 2. So I think now, instead of a linear function, what we have is absolute value. We're seeing that V shape of the absolute value. So if I were to put in a negative 3, it should go up 2 and end up at 4. So let's try that. Yeah. Okay. I think we have enough information here to sketch out a function. So it looks like the slopes of these lines are 2 or negative 2. So I think our multiplier is 2 on the outside of our function. So if we were to sketch the function, we'd have f of x equals 2 times something. And then this has been moved to the left 1 from the origin. So I think we've got an x and then a plus 1, because when you move in the negative direction, if it's inside the brackets, you put a plus there, so you kind of reverse the sign. So that looks like what we've got. Let's predict one more point. If I put in a negative 4, then what would I get? So that'd be 2 times the absolute value of negative 4 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Take the absolute value of that, that's a positive 3. You get 2 times 3, and that would be 6. So if I put in negative 4, I should get 6. Let's try that. So I'm pretty confident about that. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now that looks a little different. Is this, are we wrong? Is this wrong? Well, this and this are really the same thing. So if you take the absolute value of 2x plus 2, you can factor out a 2. And if you do that, you take a 2 out, you get 2 on the outside and then x plus 1. So really, this is the same as this. So I think we got it. Let's go ahead and graph that. Yeah, there is our absolute value. Just shift it over to the left one and a little bit narrower because of that multiplier. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get absolute value, or were you thinking it was linear? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.